There are several ways how we can create reservations in Elektraweb system. We will show you the easiest and the fastest ways to do it. You may click on the diary icon in the upper toolbar and the room calendar screen will be opened. In this screen, you select desired room number, click on the date of check-in, drag it until the desired checkout date and drop it. New reservation window will be automatically opened, and from here you may enter all the information about the guest. These will be saved under the related reservation card. Another very useful feature that will save you a lot of time and effort is that you can post charges related to this room and collect the payment from the same screen. These will also be registered under the folio segments inside reservation card. You may easily manage reservations from the room calendar at any time by using a left click on the designed reservation box and select one of the functions from drop-in menu. You can also easily change the room by clicking on the box and moving it to the desired room row. Another screen from where you can take the reservation is the room rack screen. This is the screen from where you can easily follow the room's cleanliness and maintenance status, but you can also perform all the reservation-related operations. By clicking on these three buttons here, you can make new reservation from newly opened reservation card, assign a room number, and change the room. Finally, you may make reservation and see it in more details by using the front office control panel. In this panel, you may see all the reservations in the system divided under the related tabs. And to create new reservation from front office control panel, make sure you're at the reservation tab and click on the plus button. New blank reservation card will be opened. On the left side of this card, you can fill all the reservation related information: check-in, check-out date, room and board type, number of room units and guests in it, as well as assign the room. On the right side of the screen, you can fill out guest related information and automatically create guest profiles by entering one of their contact or ID information. After that, you can navigate to the pricing screen to set the room price. If the room price is not already registered in the system, you can activate the manual price button and enter the daily rate manually. Then, by clicking the Calculate Daily Prices button, the total accommodation cost will be automatically calculated. For reservations coming through online channels, you will notice that this price row will be displayed in green to indicate the fixed prices. Once you're done with setting up the reservation, you may proceed with check-in process. For this, you may use the quick tools under Room Calendar, Room Rack, or Reservation Card. Or you can complete this process by clicking the check-in icon in Reservation List, or select the desired reservation and select Check-in Operation under Action menu. In order to perform other reservation-related operations from Front Office Control Panel, the procedure is the same. You just select the desired reservation row, click on the action icon in the upper toolbar, and select one of the many operations available. This is where you get to benefit from speed and ease by working in Elektraweb system. After all the processes are completed and the reservation is successfully saved, different kinds of forms can be easily accessed from reservation card. For illustration, we will show you confirmation room, registration form, and there is also folio output listing all the folio transactions. In order to post expenses to one room account from reservation card, you should use the folio tab. The accommodation or other department's fees that have to be paid by the guests are debited to his/her folio on daily basis at the end of the day. If you want to manually post the expenses, click on the Posting button on the Folio tab, select the department, income group, and enter the expense amount. Payment can be easily collected by using the Get Payment tab. Simply enter the amount to be paid and select the desired payment method. After completing all the expenses and payment transactions on the folio, the final step is to click the Invoice button. Once more, you can check whether all the payments are being created. You can select the person or the company to which you want this invoice to be addressed at, and by clicking on the related button, you will see how easily invoice is created. After creating the invoice, the system verifies the departure date. If the date is correct, the guest is considered ready to check out. As the first option, you can do the checkout from the same window from where you issued the invoice. Checkout can be completed using airline icons, similar as for the check-in process, or automatically from the reservation card. For checkouts that will be done on the same day, the record type should be changed to day use, and date and time verification should be performed. After checking out, the reservations automatically move to the related part of the front desk control panel, and the rooms that have been checked out are automatically marked as dirty. After completing all the operations and the end of the day is reaching, you may go to Night Audit segment of the Elektraweb and perform the necessary end-of-day operation. Before you start the end-of-the-day operations, you may go to certain exclusion and inclusion criteria that the system can perform for you, and once you click on the related button, the program automatically performs all the checks listed in here. Once all the checks are successfully done, system automatically changes the program date to the next date. Now your program is ready for another day.